Hey everyone, Dr. Nicole here with Dr. Kyle from Integrative Wellness Group, and we have been working with kids for the past few years, mainly focusing on kids with chronic illness, everything from ADD to autism to chronic infections. And we've really had a lot of families reaching out looking for something a little bit more holistic for their children, to have another alternative to just their traditional care that they're getting in conventional medicine. So we're really excited to be presenting a holistic pediatric care program that will be headed by Dr. Kyle, and we'll be elaborating a little bit further on what does that entail.
So here at IWG, there are many options that we have available to be able to offer more wellness and holistically based care for your children. Not necessarily if your child has any chronic illness, but you have a healthy family and you like to keep them that way. Maybe you still see a pediatrician, but the options that you're getting at your pediatrician's office may be very medical and based in pharmacology, which maybe isn't necessarily what you're looking for. We have several options here at Integrative Wellness Group when it comes to state-of-the-art technology, very specific examinations, protocols, and evaluations, not to mention chiropractic care, craniosacral therapy, all the nutrition and supplementation advice you could ever dream of. And we are very, very excited to be able to offer that to the families in our community to make sure that we keep them as healthy as they possibly can be.
Well, and I think this also came about because we had a lot of people that come here and they were asking about their children just reoccurringly getting sick, and what can you do for us so we don't always have to go that antibiotic route. And I thought that was really just kind of probed this light bulb to us to say, we should be offering something like this because we can help those children that are maybe just sick with their common cold and be able to use natural approaches and get over it very fast. But in addition, we can also be working with children that maybe are dealing with eczema or skin issues. And I think it would be really great for you to share your most recent story with one of the children that's been coming to IWG.
Sure, absolutely. It is a little baby who is only a few months old, and parents were doing a lot of the usual things to try and figure out and treat it, whether it was topically, very natural, holistic methods, but they couldn't quite get to the root of the issue. So what we did is we ran our bioscan and bioresonance technologies to not only test but treat this little guy, and we found a few specific things that were the root issue of what was going on. And it came to be that he had a few very specific food allergies. He was having some issues with his lymphatic system, and he was also not responding to some of the specific strains in his probiotics. Mm-hmm. So with this information, we were able to provide to his parents. Changes were made in mom's diet, changes were made to some of the other protocols that they were doing at home as well as here, and he's doing much, much better.
Well, and I think the key thing is this is all non-invasive, and this is all done within a few minutes. So you can really provide major insight to mystery symptoms and be able to provide a very in-depth and comprehensive plan to start resolving those symptoms as well. So we're really excited to be bringing this program to you guys. So check out the link below to learn a little bit more about the pediatric program here at IWG with Dr. Kyle and myself.
See you soon.